Welcome to Build a PC with me. In this tutorial, we will give you a preview to our newly created game. This game is about guessing the process and how to build your own personalized computer with a guide.
You will be given an instruction and a picture, step-by-step guide to create a PC. Just choose the choices given in the left side of the screen. There will be a hint below to support the choices.
If you pick the wrong answer, it will show a wrong mark in one of the choices and try again button. If you pick the right answer, it will show a green mark, a new image, and a next button. And that's it! Play the game and have fun! Thank you for watching our Build a PC with Me guide.